This is Jamaica, a country that people think is half heaven and half hell. However, in this complex place, China only spent 3 years to open up mountains and roads, helped them build a highway from north to south. After the completion of the highway, the driving time for local people from south to north will be shortened from 4 hours to 1 hour, bringing great convenience to local people. The $760 million project was financed by Chinese sources, and Jamaica won the highway without spending a dime. The local people hope that with the help of China, Jamaica's economy can recover as soon as possible. But for this project, some countries believe that Jamaica is walking into the China debt trap. So what are the facts? Jamaica is one of the island countries in the Caribbean Sea with a total area of 10,991 square kilometers. As of 2021, the population will only be 3 million. People think Jamaica is half heaven and half hell. It is described as a paradise because the scenery here is extremely beautiful and it is the best choice for vacation travel. As for hell, it refers to the country's backward infrastructure, and foreign companies are unwilling to invest here, which makes the country's unemployment rate extremely high, and at the same time, the crime rate is also extremely high. In the process of independence, the country also experienced complicated tests. It was colonized by Columbus, Spain, and Britain successively, and it is still a member of the British Federation until now. However, although Jamaica has been a member of the United Kingdom for 300 years, Jamaica seems to be neglected, and the development here is far less than that of the United Kingdom. You may have a question. As a member of the British Federation, why doesn't Jamaica help Jamaica expand its infrastructure and revitalize its economy? In fact, as early as 1966, Jamaica had the idea of building a north-south expressway, but the plan has not been implemented. There are 2 reasons. The first one is that the area is located in a mountainous and complex terrain, making construction difficult. The second is the high cost of investment. For Jamaica, which only relies on tourism to support its economy, the government cannot afford this amount of funds. As a member of the United Kingdom, Jamaica also proposed a loan to the United Kingdom for construction. British engineers believed that the road section was complicated and would take at least 6 years to complete. As for the loan, it has not been answered due to various reasons. Therefore, in 2011, Jamaica decided to send aid to China. With the opening of the Panama River, Jamaica finally began to promote the progress of national infrastructure projects, one of which is the North-South Expressway built by China. In 2011, the person in charge of Jamaica found China. At this time, it was the early stage of the development of